Hello everybody, we will study in this video assembly and disassembly of antenna setup for XPO antenna trainer. XPO antenna trainer setup consisting of two independent assemblies to be assembled. Transmitting antenna base stand and second one is receiving antenna base stand. First we will assemble transmitting antenna base stand with 4 kg stepper motor which is already assembled on it. Fix aluminum rod on the top of the motor with proper matching of holes of two numbers which are 90-degree transfers one below another, and fix the rod with MX by 40 bottom head screws and nut. Then put black acrylic cover with angular scale. Marking on 0 to 360 degree on it. Then fix another MX into 40 bottom head screw and fix scale pointer on it. Ensure that all the nuts should be tightened with spanners supplied with this setup. Then mount transmitting antenna under test, for example Agoda antenna. Match the holes with aluminum rod and acrylic box and fix it with M8 into 45 brass screws with wing nuts with 5 mm Allen key. While on other hand receiving antenna base stand without stepper motor, first assemble aluminum rods, fix lower end screws. Tight these screws with spanners. Put black acrylic box without angular scale. Fix another MX by 40 bottom head screw and ensure proper tightening of screws with spanner. Then mount dipole antenna on receiving section. Match the holes and fix it with M8 by 45 brass screws with wing nut with 5 mm Allen key. Also follow procedure for first time installation given in the appendix H in the manual. For hardware setup, and for plotting antenna radiation pattern in online as well as in offline mode, in auto and manual mode. This is the hardware setup for plotting antenna radiation pattern in online mode. For disassembling the antenna setup, reverse procedure of assembly to be followed. Thank you.